going to do a tutorial for some of the YoMove practice. We started our YoMove classes today. YoMove is an integrated yoga and primal movement practice. The mini flow which I'm about to demonstrate is one of the components within the sessions. Now there are strength and conditioning components, mobility and flexibility also, but they all work towards these unique mini flows. Okay, let's get into the demonstration. First things first, this mini flow only has 3 movements. There is a monkey cartwheel or a baby cartwheel, a crow pose, and a monkey, which is a locomotive animal movement, a primal movement. Okay, so first things first, my monkey cartwheel or baby cartwheel into my crow. And into my monkey. It's important not to rush through these movements so we can really feel what's going on, really connect with the movements and complete them. Not rush ahead of ourselves. Now that's easier said than done when we are practicing something that's new, because everything gets very frontal lobe and we can't help but think about what we're doing rather than feel what we're doing. Take about 5 minutes a day, 2 minutes a day to practice this. Will help you definitely to connect with what you're doing and get you out of your head. So I'm going to do the demonstration again, except I'm going to go in the opposite direction. And in the interest of balance, we always want to work both sides. Even though one side is always going to be, I wouldn't say better, because that's not necessarily true, but it's not necessarily true that always one side is better at everything. So anyway, let's take a look. So, cartwheel. Into my crow. Either straight arm or bent arm. Doesn't really matter. Monkey. Monkey. Reset. To start again.